Okay, everyone, do not tamper with my fire alarm. That is a big no-no. Also, do not tamper with my lights. If you are coming into my house and you play with my light switch, you take my light fixture off the ceiling, and you take the lampshade off the lamp, you play with the switch on it, and you take the light bulb out of it. Also, if you take the light bulb out of my overhead light and you take the globe out of it, you are tampering with my light fixtures. You don't do that. Also, if I have my fire alarm on the wall or the ceiling and you take it off the wall or the ceiling, you are tampering with my fire alarm, and you don't do that. That is a big no-no. Bye.